Efficient material handling is the backbone of industrial development. Among global super projects, conveyor beltings infuse unceasing momentum into production. Founded in 2012, QBF Rubber has evolved over the years to an industry benchmarking. Professional excellence, efficient service is what we steadfastly upheld throughout our journey. From Qingdao to the world over a decade of operational excellence, QBF Rubber has emerged as a leading integrated solution provider of bulk material handling system, with three main business sections in EU standard long-life specialized belt, environmental engineering and conveyor system, specialized belting, sidewall conveyor belting, steel cord conveyor belting, chevron conveyor belting, bucket elevator belting, pipe conveyor belting, filter belting, build conveyor accessory, pulley lagging, web protection, impact bar, bed, skirt rubber, repair materials, splicing materials, to meet customers' challenges in steel, tunneling, chemical, port terminal, storage yard, open pit, underground mining applications. QBF Rubber leverages its strategic sales, cutting-edge technology, precision management, premium service philosophy to deliver custom-engineered solutions for global partners. Based on 50 years of European expertise, QBF Rubber accelerates smart digital manufacturing and builds an industry-leading facility with advanced production lines for sidewall belting, steel cord belting, fabric belting, and other specialized belting, realizing intelligent in-house manufacturing from rubber mixing to forming, hot vulcanization, inspection, and warehousing. As the world's largest individual plant, 32,000 square meters for sidewall belting, your annual output of sidewall belting exceeds 70,000 meters, with loose profile capacity reaching 200,000 meters. Large production capacity, scheduled delivery, high cost effectiveness, global standards, premium quality. QBF Rubber focuses on rigorous raw material sourcing and precision craftsmanship. As a recipient of 4 ISO management system certifications, we are capable of delivering products subject to ISO, DIN, BSS, YES, Shen standard. The revolution of bulk material handling begins with technological breakthroughs and culminates in value creation. QBF Rubber embeds innovation into its DNA and maintains a 10% investment growth in R&D to deliver value-added solutions to global customers. 400 degrees centigrade heat-resistant conveyor belt, anti-stick conveyor belt, flying, retardant conveyor belt, acid, alkali-resistant conveyor belt, STE, STH conveyor belt, pocket sidewall conveyor belt, pipe conveyor belt, long distance conveyor belt, urethane cleat conveyor belt, ceramic lagging, skirt rubber, impact bars, ceramic wear lining. Every of our product addresses industry pain points with precision. We don't just make conveyor belting, we deliver integrated solutions for material handling. Across over 50 countries and regions, QBF Rubber is redefining cost effectiveness. QBF Rubber is committed to global technical services. We have created industry-leading records of sidewall belting in the largest conveying capacity, highest vertical lifting, and longest single belt length. We have also dominated over 90% of the sidewall belting replacement projects in China. Efficiency, safety, sustainability, intelligence. QBF Rubber is committed to providing most valuable solutions for bulk material handling.